Welcome this video. Elevate rustic gardening bed on a budget. Gardening is a reward hub and have an elevate rustic bed. Take the experience to not another level. Not only do it save your back for child bandage, but it's also provide battering, maximize wide income and can be designed to fit your sophistication need. How even by bread make rustic gardening bed can be expand size. The good news is that you can create your own Japan and effect with a little plan and some basic material. This gas well walk your those the step of build your own ring. Elevate rustic bed without break the bank. Benefit of elevate rustic gardening bed. Before divide into process, let explode when elevate gardening bed or work the effect. Rustic bed bring they give close to your reading on your bag and need better salt panel control. You can feel the bed high quality salt other consider for your plant. Weather and patrolling. Bring elevate make it hard for weak to innovate and reading for gardening panel. A static appear. Well built rustic bed can make your gardening look more original and place. Panel. We will elevate rustic gardening bed. Locate. Choose a spot in your yard or balcony. More vegetable and flower with last or for sunlight day. Consider of to water and promoting to your home are explored. Size start demong for a rustic bed are 4 feet wide by 4 feet long. However, can be adjusted. This depend on your space. They allow you to reach the mid of the bed without space in its height. For elevate bed a height for 20, 40, 30 inch is idea. This easy access red bed if you look for a more budget friendly for 12 to 14 inch and place it a logging. Material need other far affordable and centrability material. Here what's your need wood, reclaim wood palette or understanding pen are cost effective wood and shading mean into result lines, weak fibering or place sleep, plant or wood step for a static deep, long wood pin, block or even PVC type for elevate type to keep cost low. Use recycled material. Old wood pallets are often available for free or very cheap for locate housewash or step commerce board or social media growing for people give away wood or salt. Repurposed old household image. Use book or even long please consider use as brink for your gardening bed. Leftover plants